Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, dear friends? I hope you'll be fine. You'll be doing great. My name is Karim Khan and I'm back with another grammar lecture video. In today's class, I'm going to give you a slight difference between what is a strong sentence and what is a weak sentence. A very important class for you all. Make sure that you have subscribed my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So please subscribe to my channel KK English Grammar Series. Let's get started, class. First, we should define that what is a sentence. A very short definition. A sentence has two basic characteristics. Clear? The first, it is the group of words. Group of words. And the next express clear meaning. Each sentence must have these two basic components, these basic characteristics, that it should be a group of words. A group of words mean structured of words, grammatical structured. Grammatical structured. Mean all words must be arranged in the proper sequence, subject, verb, and object, and so on. Clear? And this is the semantic or the pragmatic part of the sentence, that it must express a clear meaning. I mean, the listener or the reader must have a clear thought in his mind of what do you mean to say, what do you want to say. So a sentence must have these two basic characteristics. The group of words, mean the structure of words, arrangement of words in proper order, and the expressing clear meaning and thought. So in today's class, we're going to say what is a strong sentence and what is a weak sentence. A very important class for you all. So class, first I should define what is a weak sentence, and then step by step I will go on to the stronger sentence in order to clear your concept. So class, what is a weak sentence? A weak sentence starts with the pronoun, mean the subject is a pronoun, and it ends with the pronoun, mean the object is the pronoun in objective case. For example, class, if I say he loves her, in this sentence he is the subject of the sentence because it does something, he does something in the sentence. So he is the subject of the sentence, which is a pronoun, the third person pronoun. What is the action performed by he? So loves, which is a straight verb. It is not an action verb, it's a straight verb. This is the action. Clear? The action verb means the straight verb. And her is the recipient of the verb loves. So mean this is the object. He is the subject. Love is the verb and her is the object. Her is the objective case of she. So he loves her. This is grammatical structure is correct. There is no question in the grammatical structure of the sentence. But the sense is not clear. The meaning is not very much clear. So that's why this is called a weak sentence. Because we don't know that who is that he. Because there are billions of people in the world. They are male, clear, they are male gender, they are male sex, and we don't know who is he. The same, we don't know who is she. Clear? Who is the recipient of the verb loves, who is she, so we don't know. So this is grammatically correct sentence, but the sense is not clear, so we call it a weak sentence. Now to make it stronger, a bit stronger, I should replace these pronouns with a common noun. Clear? With a common noun. For example, class, I say a boy loves a girl. A boy loves a girl. Clear? Now this sentence is a bit stronger than the first sentence because who is that? He is a boy. He's not an old man. Clear? He's not a small baby. He is a boy, meaning a mature, a masculine person. Who is that? Her. She's a girl. She's not an old woman. She's not a younger baby. Like whatever. She's a girl. Clear? So a boy loves a girl. Now this sentence is a bit stronger than the first sentence. Now to make it more stronger, I should use proper noun. Clear? I should go to use proper noun instead of a boy and a girl. If I say Ali loves Hera. Ali loves Hera. Clear? So now who is that boy? He is Ali. Who is that girl? She is Hera. Clear? Now this sentence is a bit stronger than a boy loves a girl. Clear? Now we know that who is that boy? He is Ali. Who is that girl? She is Hera. Clear? But still there is some ambiguity in the sentence. Some doubts are there. The sentence, the meaning is not clear. Then I should use subject and object in phrase form. Clear? I will say the elder brother Ali loves his younger sister Hera. Now class, who is that Ali? The elder brother. This is the modifier. This is a modifying phrase. The elder brother, it modifies Ali. My main subject is Ali. The elder brother Ali loves his younger sister Hera. His younger sister it's a phrase which modifies Hera. So now this is enough stronger sentence than all of them. The elder brother Ali loves his younger sister Hera. The meaning is pretty much clear. So now this is a strong sentence. If I want to make it more stronger, then I should use adjective clause which modifies or identifies the subject Ali and the subject Ali and the object Hera. Clear? For example, if I say the elder brother Ali, now I should use an adjective clause. Clear? When I use adjective clause, so that will become non-essential because my subject is clear. It's a proper noun Ali, so my adjective clause will be non-essential. That will be just modifying clause, not an identifying clause. The elder brother Ali, then I should separate the clause with comma, who is a very kind person. Who is a very kind person, clear? Who refers to Ali, clear? Who is a very kind person, loves his younger sister Hera. Clear? Now I should use another adjective clause to modify this Hera. Who reads in primary school. Who reads in primary school. Clear class? Now this is much more stronger than all the sentences because I used phrases and clauses and now my subject is very much identified and modified. Clear? The elder brother Ali, who is a very kind person, loves his younger sister Hera, who reads in primary school. So I hope that you learned today that how to make your sentence more stronger, that you should use some phrases, some clauses. Whenever you're writing an essay or academic writing or whatever like that, try to use stronger sentence because this will have a very much stronger effects or impacts on the another who is the person who is checking your paper. Thank you so much. I hope you will have learned something in the class today. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much and Allah Hafiz.